Come show me the snake.
We're gonna take on the world. Take on the world.
Yes?
I'm going to put my vest on because my shirt is whistling up all around me.
Okay.
It's making me nutty.
I gave myself a terrible cramp.
What?
I gave myself a cramp.
You have a cramp?
Yeah.
Oh. Like that one.
Oh, man. Okay, we're heading up to the lake. I'm gonna see if I can get the drone up in the air, but it's a little bit breezy today. So we'll see what happens.
So I'm not using this because I'm particularly chilly. I'm using it because my shirt keeps
Yeah, I saw your shirt
slipping.
flopping around.
And
That's
it
why I
was
put my jacket on.
distracting me.
Yep.
I didn't like it.
It's chillier out than
And there's more wind than
I thought.
had anticipated. You agree?
Yep.
Feeling better. Would you like to leave this time?
Sure.
Oh,
You tend to drive faster than I do in the city.
okay.
All right, here we go. Are you doing okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Nice turn signal back there.
Did I not put my turn signal on?
Uh-oh. I
Okay.
just about went straight up.
Oh, sorry about that.
Quickly made your turn.
Okay, you said go to carrier.
Well, this is a good enough way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna keep going then. So I can figure out what I'm doing.
Aren't you going out to Jet?
I don't know that we have to go to Jet. I guess you do. The road was all torn up the last time I came out this way. So you have to go up through whatever that other town is. And then up. I don't remember. I can't remember the names of these places.
Is it something that ends with an Ona? Where are all the little tanks?
Yeah, I can't remember the name of it.
Okay, so we'll call it Tank Town. And then you go up around through there and you go over to Jet.
Yeah, but I think there's a road that turns before you get to Tank Town.
Yeah, you can go straight.
But that was all torn up the last time.
Okay.
So I don't know. We'll just We'll just keep going. Figure it out.
Okay, if anybody's watching this vlog, what is Tank Town?
It's.
No. Let's see if they can figure it out.
I think I remember it.
What is it?
Is it Helena?
Helena.
Helena.
Helena, that's it.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Why does it do that?
We're gonna take on the world. 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 We're gonna take on the world.
Are you okay? Still following?
No, I'm going to have to lead. You've missed several iconic churches in these small towns. You missed the main street.
What did you
You
want me-
missed that old elementary school. You got the Oscar-Neidig thing going on. Point A, point B, nothing in between.
What did you want me to stop?
I'm going to stop. You're going to follow
Oh,
me. I'd
okay.
like to stop on the things that I think would be of interest.
Okay.
You're a point A to point B man, and I'm a like person.
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you lead then.
Thank you, my dear. Sure is beautiful, isn't it?
It is very nice.
And you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not trying to be icky. I
Well,
just
stop.
want to look at those old churches.
Yeah, but if the road's torn up,
Okay.
it says under construction or something.
Okay.
There's a sign there. That's why I didn't go that way the last time.
Okay.
You don't
So
have to go. You don't have to go that way because it intersects with the same road.
Is your thing going?
Yeah,
It's this last time.
I know. I already did a video about it, but you probably didn't watch it.
I'm so bad. Okay, we're gonna head up here. Are we heading to Jet?
Yeah, I want to stop and get a candy bar.
Okay.
So,
Candy bar it is.
okay, here we go.
Follow me. Pumps down.
How much are they? I don't know. I need to do a price check on them, but they're different prices. I think the
It's pretty nice out there today.
Are we all done?
Yep, there you go. Thank you, appreciate it.
Look, it looks like Enid missed the deadline to get reimbursed for that whole downtown thing. So the state's not gonna reimburse the city for the event. Hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Wonder who's in charge of that.
Yeah, that's the end of that,
Here you
right?
go. There's your.
My Skittles?
I need a little bite of mine. I'm kind of hungry.
Was it you that was telling me that Harley-Davidson has stopped all production right now because of
Yep.
supply issues?
For like 2 weeks at least.
They just shut down their plants?
The main plant that assembles the bikes.
Where is that located?
Somewhere in Pennsylvania.
Boy, that's going to jack the price of Harley-Davidson stuff up, isn't it?
Crap. I would imagine it would.
Do you think people are going to have to go back to ordering motorcycles?
I don't know what's going to happen. It's going to make the production numbers go down.
Would you like some of mine?
No, it's not. God.
That's all going in your system. All that fuzz.
It's a diet though.
Well, it still has all that fuzz bubbles going in your
This is
system.
carbonated water. It says low calorie. Does that mean it has calories? It has 10 calories. How does it have 10 calories?
Maybe you can't get the due
It's got,
experience
because of
without
the, oh, it's got,
calories.
maybe it's got, oh, it's got orange, it's got concentrated orange juice in it.
Does that mean I'm not going to get my new motorcycle?
Not this year.
Dang.
Okay, I'm ready to go. You ready?
I think so. You going to follow me?
Um,
Yes?
sure.